pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we come, pick a destination.
In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't you packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper, but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist, so I'm loving my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the butt, stay plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like, damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like, damn, she in her mood.
Anyway, y'all. Good morning, guys. Yo, let me tell you guys, I have not been posting. That's because I am so pissed. I was doing this intermittent fasting, right, for 2 weeks, and I documented everything, y'all. Mind you, I documented everything. The clip is edited and everything, but it's not letting me upload my video to YouTube. It's not even letting me save the video. So I have been fighting. You know, I edit with my iPad. So, and the video is like an hour long. It should not be that bad for it. I'm so freaking pissed, y'all, when I tell you guys, like, you know how hard it took me so long to edit this video just for the video not to even want to post. So it's like, I'm just so frustrated, y'all. So, but anyway, at this point, the video is just been sitting in my iPad right now. Like, I'm not doing anything with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just delete the video because it's pointless. Like, if I cannot use the video, it's just taking space out of my iPad. So anyway, so I am going to the gym right now. I'm training today. So I'm going to 24-hour fitness right now, but I might go record somewhere else because depending on how 24 hours looks like. But yeah, guys, that's what's been going on. That's why I have not been posting, and because that was my next upload. I don't know. I'm just irritated, but it doesn't matter. So it's 8:50 a.m. 56. I'm supposed to be there at 9 o'clock, y'all, in 4 minutes. But I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. So, bye, y'all. Down there. We're gonna put everything away. Go back here.
True.
So you go back, just step back. Use your core. Just go up and
Wow.
all the way. This is how you can work out your core at the same time.
Wow.
It's hard.
True.
But you going back?
You. Let me record you in the back.
No. Going back?
It's hard.
anyway, you guys, we are done with our workout. I was not expecting to record at 24 hours, but it was not really that packed today. So I was like, you know what? Instead of me wasting time driving to a whole different gym, just stay here and just do, you know, do everything. So yeah, that's all the workout. I did a full body workout pretty much. I was also training somebody, so I like squeeze some in between. But anyway, guys, that's it. So I'm gonna head home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. I know I've been MIA, but we're back, y'all. We're back. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Bye, y'all. Bye, y'all.